Sophia, what did we learn about relativism?
I learned that the opposite that about absolutism, and also that there is truth, but it's not absolute, not an absolute one. It is connected to a situation or a culture.
Do you have another answer, Dominika?
Not really. Just think that we learned that the truth is always subjective. Maybe only the scientific truth can be objective.
What? What did we learn?
About relativism?
About relativism. Theory. Relativism.
And what's the theory?
Lots of theory.
Give one example.
It's the same like subjectivism.
Something else? Sylvia?
I have a definition of relativism. I think that it says that the truth is not absolute, and it depends on the situations, and maybe your opinion is right and the others' opinions are wrong for you, but you have to be tolerant and adapt it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell us of your answer on the...
That you have different kind of relativism.
Yeah.
That was it.
Okay.
We have moral relativism and two others. I don't mention the names, so I didn't hear.
Absolutely describing.
Hey.
I wasn't there to write anything down, so I have an empty paper.
Okay. Catherine?
There are a few truths in moralities, not like in comparison to facts. Not like facts where there is only one truth.
Yes. And now, do you have another answer?
That there is relativism in moral, and truth can be relative.
That is dangerous to say that nothing is totally right or absolutely true.
And when did you learn that?
When Beate talked about it earlier.
Okay. Do you have another answer there, or shall we go to the next question? What was difficult with these concepts?
You can see the words very big in different ways, and you can use it in different parts.
Yes. Give example of a good way to do it.
What?
Give an example of a good way to do it. And a bad way, maybe.
Okay. A good thing about relativism. I don't know.
You can look at things in different ways. But which question are you answering?
The difficulty with understanding these concepts.
Okay. So we did.
Yes.
Pei, something else that was difficult?
Difficult. I thought we answer about moral and truth. Okay.
Do you have a good answer on that?
Yeah. Can
Yes.
I do that?
Yes, please.
I thought. I learned both the moral and the truth can be created by the human being.
And there was nothing difficult with the concepts?
Yeah, the concept. No, I think.
Okay. Fanush, what was difficult with these concepts?
Everything?
Give us one example then.
I don't know. I'm just confused. So pass.
No, say one thing that makes you confused.
Everything about
No.
relativism and this exercise.
Give me one concrete example. You have to start somewhere. Where?
I don't know.
Try.
Was it more confusing after the exercise or before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the exercise was difficult.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Something else? What difficult? The same?
Yeah.
Mm.
About moral and truth, there must be a truth even when our opinions are different, I think.
So you learned that today?
A little bit, yeah. I know it before, but
And when was it obvious today?
like we have different opinions. Everyone understand it in different way, different angle, and we must explain it. And then we, for example, know that we were talking about completely different things. And if we were talk about one thing, there will be a conclusion, a good conclusion, I think. Could be.
You want to help us to understand?
But that's the point about relativism, isn't it? That we all have different opinions.
Yes,
and
but I
view
still
things
believe in.
differently.
Yeah.
So that was the exercise to show that we all
Was it?
view things differently.
But it can be that these different opinions are just part of the same truth, like the blind man and the elephant.
Mm-hmm.
You understand the picture?
Never to the statement we answered important questions. How many say never? 3. And sometimes, please rise if you think we sometimes. So, Fanos, give us one example of a question we answered.
Do you have to? Because yeah.
Okay, there were other. You remember who raised? Tina. Yes.
About sometimes?
Yeah.
Give one example.
I think in general we answered important questions.
Give example of one concrete question. Or else we don't believe you. So never was right in that case.
When we ask for the days,
Yeah,
thing
about
and-
they didn't know about baseball, so she asked, "What is
So-
what is a diamond?" Is it
You can address that.
You should know.
Yeah. So is that an important question?
For me, it is
No. I don't believe you. Why is it important?
because I like baseball. I
Yeah,
like
because
sports.
then she understands the sentence
Yeah,
and
and
then
then
she can
in that time
be.
too.
I also.
It's a good one.
So, do we have a better example, Emily?
I think that we.
It's a good example. I could look it up in a dictionary. We
Yeah,
don't
but
have
you
to
wouldn't-
meet here
you
for
wouldn't
answering.
understand.
Please, it's Emily's turn now. Yes?
I think we answered important questions when we talked about if it's right to steal when you're starving.
And the answer was?
The answer was for them it was yes, and for us it was no. We didn't come up with a final answer, but we had different answer to it.
Thank you. So, shall we move on to the next? We built on each other's ideas. Never. No one. Sometimes. Yes. So